Hello all, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to calculate the cutting length of the stirrup. We have taken the beam of 200 mm width and 300 mm depth. Now we will find out the total length of the stirrup. Total length is nothing but this one. So we have taken this part as length of stirrup and this part as breadth of stirrup. So for finding out the length of the stirrup, we know that the length of the beam is equals, the breadth of the beam is equals to 200 mm. From this we will deduct the covers on both sides. So length of the stirrup is equals to 200 minus 30 minus 30 is equals to 140 mm. This part is equals to 140 mm. So this part is also equals to 140 mm. Same like this one, we will find out the breadth of the stirrup. So this one is called the breadth of the stirrup. So this is taken as B. From 300 we will deduct 30 from this side and 30 from this side. So 300 minus 30 minus 30 is equals to 240. So total length of the stirrup is equals to 2 times 140. This 140 and this 140 and this 240 and this 240. 2 times 140 plus 2 times 240 is equals to 760 mm. Now we will find out the cutting length of the stirrup. For this we need to add this total length and this hook's length and this hook's length. This 135 degrees hook length. How many hooks are there? 2 hooks are there. For each hook of 135 degrees bend, the length is equals to 10 times diameter. So for two hooks, the total hook length is equals to 2 into 10 times diameter is equals to 2 into 10 into diameter is given as 8 mm is equals to total hook length is equals to 160 mm. So now for cutting length of the stirrup, we will add total length of the stirrup plus hook length. Now up to here total length of the stirrup is 760 mm and total length of the hook length is equals to 160 mm. This equals to 920 mm. From this as we know that the steel is a ductile material and it will elongate when it bends. Here it is 90 degrees bend and here it is 90 degrees bend and here it is 90 degrees bend. For this hook it is 135 degrees bend and 135 degrees bend. So how many bends are there totally? Totally there are 5 bends. 3 of 90 degrees bend and 2 of 135 degrees bend. We know that bend length is equals to for 90 degrees bend it is 2d and for 135 degrees bend it is 3d. So here there are 3 90 degrees bend. Total bend length is equals to 3 90 degrees bends and 2 135 degrees bends. So 3 into for 90 degrees bends it is 2d and for 135 degrees bend it is 3d. For every 45 degrees d times is increased. So here it is bend length is equals to 60 plus 60 total is equals to 12d. 12 into diameter of stirrup is given as 8 mm. So total bend length is equals to 12 into 8 is equals to 96 mm. As we know that cutting length of the stirrup is equals to total length of the stirrup plus hook length minus elongation length due to bend. From we know that total length of the stirrup plus hook length is equals to 920 mm. From this we will deduct this bend length. Bend length is equals to 96 mm. Here we can see the cutting length of the stirrup is equals to 760 mm plus 160 mm minus 96 mm is equals to 824 mm. Total cutting length we have to cut 824 mm steel rod to prepare this stirrup of 135 degrees bend. This is how we will calculate the cutting length of the stirrup. So, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you all.